Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change background on WhatsApp. First of all, open your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots right here on the top corner of your screen, tap here, tap on settings, tap on chats, tap on wallpaper, tap on change right here. Now you will see four folders here. You can pick any photo from these folders. For example, let's tap on bright first. So these are the pictures available for you to change on WhatsApp. These are the pictures that are already installed on WhatsApp, so you can pick any one of this. For example, let's pick this one, set wallpaper. Now the background has changed. If you want to change to another picture, tap on change here again. You can select from here and do the same process, or you can pick from here. I like this color, so let's set wallpaper. So the background has changed again. Or if you want to change to a picture from the gallery, tap here on my photos. These are the pictures saved on your gallery, so you can pick any one of this picture. For example, this one. Adjust it. Set wallpaper. Now the background has changed again, and this is your current background on WhatsApp. So guys, this is how you change background on WhatsApp. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys. See you in the next video.